Acrylic painting versus oil painting. Which one should you choose? Welcome to this comparison between acrylic and oil painting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, choosing the right medium can make a huge difference in your creative process. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between acrylic and oil paints, helping you decide which one suits your style and needs best. One, drying time. One of the biggest differences between acrylic and oil paint is drying time. Acrylic paint dries quickly, within minutes to a few hours, making it great for artists who like to work fast or layer their paintings quickly. Oil paint dries very slowly, often taking days, weeks, or even months to fully cure. This allows for extended blending, smoother transitions, and reworking areas over time. So, if you enjoy a fast-paced workflow, acrylics might be your best bet. But if you prefer a slower, more forgiving process, oils are ideal. Two, blendability and texture. Acrylics dry fast, which can make blending challenging. However, you can use mediums to extend drying time and improve blending. Oils naturally stay wet for longer, allowing you to create soft, seamless transitions in colors. This is why oil paints are favored for realistic portraits and landscapes. If you love smooth gradients and subtle shading, oil paint is your go-to. But if you like bold, quick strokes, acrylics work better. Three, color and finish. Acrylics dry slightly darker than when applied, and they have a matte or satin finish unless modified with mediums. Oils retain their vibrancy and have a rich, glossy appearance once dry, which can make colors appear deeper and more luminous. If you love vibrant colors with a glossy effect, oils win. But if you prefer a more controlled color shift, acrylics are easier to predict. Four, cleanup and safety. Acrylics are water-based, making them easy to clean with just soap and water. They're also non-toxic and don't produce strong fumes. Oils require solvents like turpentine or mineral spirits for cleanup, which can have strong odors and require proper ventilation. If convenience and safety matter to you, acrylics are the easier option. If you don't mind the extra steps and love the traditional oil painting experience, oils are worth it. Five, versatility and surface compatibility. Acrylics can be used on almost any surface: canvas, paper, wood, even fabric. They also work well for mixed media projects. Oils are mainly used on primed canvas or wood panels, requiring proper surface preparation to prevent deterioration. Acrylics are the clear winner for flexibility, while oils excel in classical painting techniques. Final thoughts. Which one is right for you? Choose acrylics if you prefer. Fast drying time, easy cleanup, and versatile application. Choose oils if you enjoy smooth blending, rich colors, and a more traditional painting approach. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your artistic style and workflow. Some artists even use both in mixed media techniques. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more painting tips and tutorials. Happy painting!